torn between the Zeekr 7X and the Zeekr 007 GT? Which one is the real game changer? Let's dive in and figure this out together. Both of these electric vehicles promise performance and style, but they each have unique features that set them apart. Starting with the Zeekr 7X. This mid-size electric SUV is designed for those who love space and utility. With a length of 4,825 millimeters and a spacious interior, it's perfect for families or anyone who needs that extra room. Plus, with its powerful dual motor, it can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds. That's quicker than most sports cars. And if you're worried about range, the 7X doesn't disappoint. It offers up to 615 kilometers on a full charge, making long trips easier than ever. If you think that sounds impressive, wait until you see its 16-inch mini LED display that makes driving feel futuristic. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're excited to learn more. Now, let's switch gears to the Zeekr 007 GT. This electric shooting brake is not just about looks. It's a blend of sporty design and practicality. Measuring 4,864 millimeters in length, it offers an eye-catching appearance that will turn heads. But here's the kicker. It boasts a staggering range of up to 825 kilometers. That's right, more distance on a single charge. For those long drives, this could be a game changer. The 007 GT also features a unique 90-inch LED light strip that adds a touch of luxury and innovation to its design. Imagine driving a car that lights up the road ahead like a starry night. How cool is that? When we compare performance, both vehicles come with similar power options, offering 310 kilowatts in RWD and 475 kilowatts in AWD. However, the 007 GT has a quicker RWD acceleration time of just 5.2 seconds. So, if speed is your priority, the 007 GT might have the edge. But don't underestimate the 7X. Its all-wheel drive can still deliver an exhilarating ride. Now, let's talk about pricing. The Zeekr 007 GT starts at a very affordable $27,200 in China, while the 7X comes in at 63,000 euros in Europe. While the 007 GT is easier on the wallet, the 7X may be available in more markets sooner, making it a viable option for many. If you're enjoying this breakdown, make sure to subscribe for more insights. Both vehicles have their strengths. The Zeekr 7X offers more cargo space and a higher driving position, making it an excellent choice for families. In contrast, the 007 GT's sleek look and long range make it ideal for those who want style and distance. In conclusion, if you're after a long-range, stylish, and budget-friendly electric vehicle, the Zeekr 007 GT stands out as a clear game changer. However, if you prefer a traditional SUV packed with advanced features and are okay with spending a bit more, the Zeekr 7X might just be your perfect match. Which one captures your heart? Let us know in the comments below. Your opinion matters. This comparison isn't just about specifications. It's about finding the right fit for your lifestyle. So, whether you choose the Zeekr 7X or the 007 GT, you're stepping into the future of electric driving. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more exciting content on electric vehicles. And remember, the road ahead is electric.